Hey guys, today we're going to be making the easiest apple crumble ever. So the ingredients you will need is about 5 to 6 medium-sized apples, all-purpose flour, salt, spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, and ginger. You'll also need room temp butter, which you can sub out for coconut oil, and also sugar. I'm using coconut sugar here, but you can also use date sugar or brown sugar. 2 tablespoons lemon juice, a half a cup of cane sugar, a fourth a cup of coconut sugar, a fourth a cup of all-purpose flour. You'll need an eighth a teaspoon of each seasoning except cinnamon. That needs a half a teaspoon. Then you'll mix everything together to form a thick paste. After that, you're going to want to chop your apples. You can peel them if you'd like, but I keep the skin on. Generously massage your paste all over the apples. Transfer to a baking dish. 1 cup of flour, a half a cup of cane sugar, a half a cup of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 whole stick or a half a cup of melted butter. Mix everything together with a fork to form something like wet sand. Then use your hands to crumble it on top of the apples. Pop it in the oven, preheated to 375, and set that timer for 50 minutes. After that, you will have a delicious crumble worthy of a big dollop of your favorite vanilla ice cream.